Hello everyone, this is Tanuja Pradhan. A warm welcome to all of you in my food channel, Sunshine Flavours. Today we will be making a very simple dish, peas, corn, rice. Now let us see the preparation before actually cooking the rice. Wash 2 cups of rice 3 to 4 times, drain it and keep it aside. Take 4 cups of water and keep it on low to medium heat. It should come to a boiling point when we want to add it to the rice. Now in a heated pan add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once they splutter, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter too. Now add 10 to 12 curry leaves, half a teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 cup of green peas. Sautè them on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes till they become slightly soft. Add the corn and sautè for 1 to 2 minutes. Here I have used sweet corn. If you are using normal corn, then boil it for about 5 minutes till it becomes tender before you start cooking the rice. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of kitchen king masala. Saute for about 1 or 2 minutes, then cover and cook for about a minute or 2. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add the rice previously washed and drained. Now add 4 cups of boiling water to it and mix it properly. Take care not to let the water splatter on your hands. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes. As you can see, the rice is almost cooked. At this point of time, add 1 tablespoon of kasoori methi. Mix it properly. Cover and cook till the rice is cooked. Should take about 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee to it. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Finally, garnish with coriander and serve peas corn rice with fresh dahi or yogurt and pickle. This is a quick, easy, tasty rice recipe ideal for lunches or tiffin boxes, or when you want to cook something nutritious in less time. If you have liked this video, do subscribe to my channel Sunshine Flavours and click on the bell icon for further notifications. Do hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching this video and do check out the other videos on this channel. Stay happy, stay healthy.